Each time the flag comes down at night, this ceremony takes place on every military base in the world, every American military base. There she is, Old Glory. Each fold has a meaning. Fold number 1. This fold is in honor of the 13 original colonies and our forefathers who founded this great nation. We salute you. Fold number 2 is to the men and women who died in the War for Independence. We salute you. Fold number 3 is to those men and women who fell in the War of 1812 to preserve our freedom. We salute you. Fold number 4 is to the brave soldiers on both sides, the North and the South in the Civil War. We salute you. Fold number 5 is to those who shed their blood in the name of hope and freedom in World War I, also called the Great War. We salute you. Fold number 6 is for our fathers and sons and daughters and wives who died in the terrible battles of World War I, World War II, in Pearl Harbor, Normandy, Midway, the Battle of the Bulge, Iwo Jima, and many, many more. We salute you. Fold number 7 is to the men of the 1st Marine Division, who in a great rear guard action at the Chosin Reservoir in Korea saved their battalion and the lives of their brother Marines. We salute you. Fold number 8 is for the brave men and women of our armed forces who died in the fields of fire in Vietnam and whose names will live forever on the Vietnam Wall. We salute you. Fold number 9 is for all of our armed forces who have met all the challenges of Kosovo, Kuwait, Iraq, Afghanistan, and places all over the world where freedom was challenged. We salute you. Fold number 10 is for the Constitution and the first 10 amendments that we call our Bill of Rights. We salute you. Fold number 11 is to God, to our Commander-in-Chief, to our teachers, to our parents, to our families, who we love and respect. We salute you. Fold number 12 is to all the men and women of our armed forces, past, present, and future, who defend our democracy and our freedom. We salute you. Fold number 13. This is the last. This is the one to the American flag, which represents our freedom, because without freedom, there is no America. To this flag we vow that we shall honor you and we salute you. You'll observe that the color guard is folding the flag into a triangle, which represents the three-cornered hat that was worn by our colonial soldiers during the War of Independence. And that is the proper way to fold the American flag.